Hello, my name is Jesse Rincon. I am 20 years old. I am studying engineer environmental. Uh, mm, this image, this the central part is the municipality of city and cities of San Jose del Guaviare. Being the same were alive. This park has uh, a green, trees. It has comfortable chairs. It also uh, has people offering products, foods that allow observing the environmental and enjoy the landscape. There is a fish that we many fish nets the park. Uh, there is two representatives of the region and also nearby is monument that shows the the culture of the region which la expression. I invite my friends to San Jose del Goyere and we will visit that central park and to have a fresh and pleasant experience of of part part of the Colombia Amazonia. They are going they are going to see that there is a tree that is more than 70 years old and it's fully and representative of the flora of the city or the of I invite you sit through which the singing with with when colonial and native class sample of the population. Thank you. It is central part is of the city San Jose de Guaviare, Colombia. Thank you.